In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on battery over here. Now tap on current mode. Select performance mode over here and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit OK to confirm your choice and wait. As you can see, high performance was successfully enabled. If you wanna switch it off, click on current mode again and tap on any other one, like balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!